Welcome guys. In this video I'm going to show how to provide a print or download option for your leaflet map that also captures the data that you see. So you can print the same map, or you can have a download option with two configurations, portrait and landscape. So this is the downloaded image with all the shapes that we draw in the map. So you can also have a full width map. So there was a lot of options available for you guys to integrate. So if you want, this is the demo page that I'm going to implement this print or download option. For this, I'm going to use React Leaflet Easy Print plugin for React Leaflet. So basically, this is extraction of Pretty Print Easy Print plugin for Leaflet. This is for React. So I'm going to install the package. I'm going to save it in my package.json with the save parameter. So once this is installed, we are going to import few parameters from this, and I'm going to use it in now inside our map, so that the print component is available for within the map. So our component is installed. So let's import print options. So print control, and we need to pass this to the leaflet with leaflet option, so that it has context to the leaflet that we are going to display. So we need to pass it as a wrap it with leaflet, which is imported from React Leaflet package. So we are going to use this print control inside the map container, so it will be appeared within the map container. So let's go to the documentation and take this print options. One is for print, and second one is for the download. So there is only one parameter change for both. You can see it here. So I'm going to change this ref for our functional use ref. Let's import use ref and create a variable for reference. Once this is done, our configuration is done, which has position, size modes, and has control container. And our download option just have one more parameter, which is export only. So if you see, you have three options by default. So you can create shapes whatever you want inside the application, and you can print or download the same shape on the current view. So if you zoomed in, you will be able to download one that particular specific current coordinates and zoom level. So this is the downloaded image and it's working fine. Now I'm going to add additional shapes inside that, and I'm going to zoom out a little bit and see if everything is captured as we see in the map. So I'm going to download this now. So let's say the portrait mode should capture all the data that we see right now, and the same goes with the print option. So here you can see the landscape version of that, and you can print it, and or full scale fit into the screen options. So this is the easiest way to have a print and download option within our map components. So if you want, you can use this plugin, and you can make this as a reusable component.